Hi, welcome to SR Tech. In this video, we see the one Python project. The project title is Skin Cancer Classification based on the hybrid deep learning model. So, the main objective of the project is the skin cancer classification, like skin cancer into the benign and malignant based on the hybrid deep learning model. Okay. So the hybrid deep learning model is generated based on the combining of VGG16 and InceptionV3 architecture. So in this work we combine two architecture like VGG16 and InceptionV3. These two architecture is integrated into one model. That model we called the hybrid deep learning model. Okay, so based on this model we make the classification of skin cancer. So this is our main objective. So now we see the architecture of the skin cancer classification. This is the proposed architecture. First of all, we do the training process, then we do the testing process. Okay, in training process, first we give the set of images for training. Set of images. That images is given to the next process. The next one is the pre-processing. In that we do the resizing and image augmentation. So after that we built the hybrid model like based on the VG16 and InceptionV3. So once the hybrid model is completed, like that means built means, then the pre-processed training images is given to the hybrid model. In that the training images features and are learned and deep features are extracted based on the hybrid model. Finally we get the trained model. Okay, so this is the training process. Once the training is completed, then we go for the testing process. In that first we give the one test skin image. That image is next given to the pre-processing. In that we use the noise removal and resizing process. For noise removal we use the median filter for noise removing. Then our noise removed output is given to the resizing process. So finally we get the noise removed and pre-processing output. Okay, so after that our pre-processed test image is validated based on the trained model. Finally we get the classified result like benign or malignant. So in classifier stage, the hybrid model sigmoid classifier is used to the classification purpose. Okay, so this is the training and testing. So and also we do the performance evaluation based on the some number of images, number of test images. Finally we get the performance evaluation like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score also. Okay, so this is our overall proposed work. Now we see the execution. So this is the training code. Already I executed and only show the result. Just to see. So this is the training code. So first of all we need to build the hybrid model. First I define the VG16 model and the InceptionV3 model. Then we combine the VG16 and the InceptionV3. Finally we get the hybrid model. This is our hybrid model structure. So this is our hybrid model. This is the InceptionV3 model structure. This is the VG16 model structure. Then we integrate the final final dense layer. This dense layer is given to that means integrated dense layer is given to the classification layer. This is our hybrid model. Okay, so once the hybrid model is built, then we load the training images. In training images, then we do the pre-processing like augmentation and resizing process. So this part is the loading training images and pre-processing. In pre-processing, image augmentation and resizing applied. Okay, so once the training images are pre-processed, then that images are given to the training process. Okay, so this is the hybrid model. So once the model is completed, finally we get the training accuracy graph and the training loss graph for up to how many FOHs we given means 50 FOHs, 40 FOHs we given. Okay, so for training accuracy and the training loss graph is done up to the 40 FOHs. Okay, so the graph shows the after the 10th FOHs the accuracy is constant like 100%. That means the model is trained accurately like skin benign and malignant. The two classes are trained accurately. Okay, So this is the training code. Once the training is completed, then do the testing process. Similarly, already I done, just to show the result. Okay, first one is the testing process. In testing process, we give the one test image. This is the test image. Once the test image is given, next we do the pre-processing like noise removal. So this is the noise removal output. Once the noise removal is done, then we do the resizing. This is the resizing process. Once the resizing is completed, then we load our trained model. This is our trained model. So based on the trained model, our resized test image is given to the prediction stage, like classification process. In classification process, the given test image is classified into the benign and malignant. Okay, so this is the our classified result for test image. So the given test image is predicted result is the malignant. Okay, so this is the testing process. So once the testing is completed, then we go to the performance measure. In testing performance measure, we give the set of images. Like set of images means 583 images is given for the performance evaluation. Okay, testing set. So once we given the testing set, that testing set is validated based on the trained model. Then predict the result like benign or malignant like that. Finally, we get the some result like prediction result. Based on the result, we generate the performance metric like confusion matrix, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score and ROC score. So this is the confusion matrix for our testing set. So benign and malignant, 292 images are correctly predicted as benign, only 17 images are incorrectly predicted. Similarly, malignant, 266 images are correctly predicted, only 8 images are mispredicted. Okay, so then we see the accuracy metric. Our accuracy of the testing set is the 95.71%. Okay, similarly the precision, recall, F1 score all the 96% also obtained. Okay, then finally we see the ROC metric. This is the ROC curve. So the ROC curve, A is area under the curve value is the 0.95 or 6 is. Overall, the hybrid model based skin cancer classification obtained the accuracy value is 95%. It is highly effective for the this work. Okay, now we see the web application. So now we created the simple web application. Okay, so in that also we do the testing process. Already we trained and that model is saved into our system. So based on the trained model, we make the testing process. Okay, So this is our simple web page. Okay, so in that first we browse the file. We choose image. Test image is loaded. Okay, then click the submit button. So test image, then apply the pre-processing noise removal and resizing. Finally we get the classification result is the benign. Okay, so again I choose the another one image, this one, test image. So the test image first we given, then pre-processing is applied, then the pre-processed image is validated based on the trained model. Based on the trained model, finally we get the result like benign or malignant. So the result is the malignant. Okay, thank you.